Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss pre-final 2 biological science question paper with answers. Section 1. In section 1 we have 3 questions, 2 marks each, total marks 6. Write the list of materials needed to observe the internal structure of mammalian heart. Materials required: freshly collected specimen of heart of sheep or goat from the butcher, soda straws, sharp and long blade, tray and jug of water, dissection, scissors and forceps. What would happen if nasal cavity and pharynx are not moist? If the respiratory tract is not wet, the dirt particles in the inhaled water in the nasal cavities will not be removed from the atmosphere and will reach the lungs and cause lung issues. Third question: write two measures to protect farmer friendly birds like sparrows. Sparrows perform a crucial part in maintaining natural harmony. The two measures to protect them are: do not use chemical insecticides and pesticides in your garden or crops as it is harmful to sparrows. Plant trees or shrubs to make a safe spot for sparrows to nest. We'll see section 2. In section 2, we have 3 questions but 4 marks each question. Total marks are 12. No choice, you have to attempt all the questions. Write about the 4 different tropic movements in plants. Actually, we have 6 different tropic movements in plants: phototropism, gravitropism, chemotropism, thigmotropism, thermotropism, and hydrotropism. You can write any 4 out of these 6. Observe the table showing stage in the mitotic division and answer the following questions. First table question. Write the changes that occur in prophase. In prophase, chromosomes split lengthwise to form chromatids. Nuclear membrane disappears in this phase. Chromatids move towards poles in which phase? So chromatids move towards poles in anaphase. Karyokinesis takes place in which phase? It takes place in telophase. How many daughter cells are formed at the end of one mitotic division? So two similar or identical daughter cells are formed at the end of mitotic division. We'll see third section. In third section, we have 3 questions. Need to attempt any 2. Each question carries 6 marks. 2 6 are 12. Write the procedure and precaution to be followed in the experiment showing carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. So precautions are: a healthy potted plant should be used. The experiment setup should be airtight to avoid entering carbon dioxide inside it. The leaves should be heated in a water bath to prevent the alcohol from catching fire. Distilled water should be used. Photosynthesis is a process in which green plants prepare their own food by absorbing carbon dioxide from the air in the presence of sunlight and green pigment chlorophyll. The following method should be followed to verify carbon dioxide is required for photosynthesis. Take a potted plant having healthy leaves in sunlight for 2 to 3 days to make it starch free. Put some KOH in a bottle and place one leaf inside the bottle fitted with the cork to make it airtight. Place the potted plant in sunlight for 2 to 3 hours. Cut the leaf kept inside the bottle and another free leaf of the plant. Put each leaf in a separate test tubes with alcohol inside it. The test tubes are then kept in water bath and heated gently for a few minutes. The leaf kept inside the bottle changes to a pale yellow color due to the absence of starch, while the other becomes blue black in color. The presence of blue black color in the leaf shows the presence of starch in the leaf and proves that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Explain the structure of human brain of a well labeled diagram. So the brain is a complex organ which is placed inside the cranium. Brain has 3 regions, namely forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. So you have to draw this diagram, students. Last question of the question paper: explain the Mendel's laws. Explain the Mendel's laws. Mendel's laws are also known as laws of inheritance, which are law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent assortment. Thank you for watching, students.